Programming has been the heart and soul for many recent trends. I mean, just think about it. People coded Bitcoin, people coded ChatGPT, people coded hamster combat. So it's safe to say that programming is one of the most important skills to learn. But what exactly is programming? Well, think about a company, for example. All the companies have a specific system. They have a specific list of tasks that need to be done to achieve certain goals, and the boss specifies and manages those tasks. For example, when the packages arrived, unload the packages and count every item and etc. Now programming is just like that. You as a programmer is like that boss specifying those tasks, and computers or the microcontroller, if you're an IoT developer, are your employees executing your tasks to achieve certain goals. And you specify those tasks using a series of meaningful expressions called code. That's basically it. Now, some programming languages, and I mean almost all of the programming languages, pass the instructions into another programming language, which is usually assembly language. And that acts as a translator, translating your code into 0 and 1 binary commands that computers can understand and execute. That's basically the gist of it. So programming wasn't that complicated now, was it? Now it's time for you to decide your programming language and start your journey. But what programming language should you choose? That's a very good question, which I'm going to answer in this video, so you can watch it if you're not sure which programming language to choose. But that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one.